I like his feet. Who's that? Let me go check. Coming. Hey, order delivery for Mr. Fuck You, Susan. Why did you make me wait for 200 days to send me the goddamn play button? What in the living fuck is wrong with you, you evil devil? And your last name is E. Oh, that should be the play button. Yes, that's me. Great, there you go. There's your package. Thank you. Oh, one last thing. Are you into League of Legends? No. No! Come back! Come back! Are you into League of Legends? Yes, sir. Time to unbox it. Yeah. Yeah, almost get to see my baby. Daddy, open up, Daddy. Yeah. Oh my God. What an amazing award. Thank you so much for this, YouTube. Yeah. All right, let's take this off. Oh, we have a letter. Do you remember your first subscriber? Yes, I do remember actually. It was my friend named Stav. I remember making a channel and sending the link to him, and then he said, bro, stop making channels. Your 100th? No. Your 1,000 subscriber? Still no. Chances are you do. I said no! And we know that you definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Well, I don't remember who was it, but I sure do remember the date that it happened. Like it literally happened on September 11th. Yes, September 11th, 911, the day when the two towers fell down in New York City. We're so proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! Actually, I have 300,000 subscribers now because you guys keep rejecting my application! Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan. What the fuck is a Neil Mohan? I thought it was Susan Wojcicki. Oh, so he's a new YouTube CEO. I'm so sorry, Mr. Mohan. Please don't delete my channel. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Rick Astley? Oh my God, did Rick Astley package this? Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. Alright, we're done with the letters. Now time to see the button. Yeah. Yeah. Come out of the wrapping, baby. Yeah. Achievement unlocked. Yeah. Look, guys. I'm famous. I'm famous. All right. Time for a beautiful family photo, son. Let me clean you up first. Make sure you're free of dust. There we go. Mom, Tommy, Michael, let's take a picture. Alright, welcome to the part that all of you guys been waiting for. It's time to see what's inside this play button. Alright, here we go. Colados! Baldos!
ต้องมีอะไรผิดพลาดตรงไหนไม่เข้าใจเลยสักครั้ง
Alright, let's put this bad boy next to the painting of pussies. Now if anyone comes into my room, they're gonna be like, oh, you got a nice room, man. Look at that! Oh my God! Nice pussies! Alright, we're here live with our very first subscriber ever on YouTube, and his name is Stav. So we're gonna call him and ask him a few questions. Okay. Hello, Mr. Stav.
Hello, Pavan.
So, how do you feel being the first subscriber of Pavan Sokam's channel ever?
Well, actually, Pavan, that is the biggest fucking regret of my life. When I first subscribed to your channel, I was a young little boy and I was happy with my life. Everything was going well. But ever since then, I've become a 30-year-old man. What? No wife, no kids, no house. I'm now home. I'm speaking to an iPhone 4, and I'm now a 30-year-old man with a neck beard. It fucking sucks. It's the worst thing.
Alright, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. I'm blocking this motherfucker. Well, that was a great interview.